This is topic 11, special angle pairs part 2. So in the previous video, we learned about the 4 different special angle pairs, but only 3 of them actually have some kind of number value associated with them. So we're going to name the angle types that we have here, and we're going to figure out find the values of x in all of them. So for this first one, we have this angle here and this angle here. Since they are right across from each other, then these are going to be vertical angles. Vertical angles, as we said last time, are always equal to each other. So I would set these two values equal to each other and solve for x. So I would add 2x to both sides, making that cancel out. 5x plus 2x is 7x. And then I would divide 7 on both sides. And x would equal 13. For this next one, we see that they have this little box right here. So remember that that box means that this is a right angle. So that means that it adds to 90 degrees. So it's going to be a complementary angle. Complementary angles, again, add up to 90. So I would take my two parts of my angles, the first part plus the second part, and they would add to equal 90 degrees. So now I can add my like terms. So 2x plus 3x equals 5x. 8 plus 2 is going to equal 10. That equals 90. Now I can subtract 10 from both sides to get my x by itself. So I have 5x equals 80. It's going to move it up here so I have some more room. Divide off my 5, and x equals 16. And then for my last angle pair, page would move. So we see we have a straight angle, two angles added together that equal 180 degrees. So these are going to be a supplementary angles. So supplementary, again, they add up to 180. So I would take my first part, my first angle, the second part, and then together they should equal 180 degrees. So now I can combine my like terms. 30 plus 7 is 137, plus x equals 180. Then to get the x by itself, I'm going to subtract 137 from both sides. So 180 minus 137 equals 43. So x equals 43.